In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to scribble on Google Docs. If you've ever wanted to quickly sketch an arrow, circle something important, or add a freehand note right inside your document, this is a simple and built-in way to do it. No extra apps needed. Start by opening your Google Doc on your computer. Make sure your cursor is placed roughly where you'd like the drawing to appear later, because the scribble will be inserted at that spot once you're done. At the top of the screen, look for the menu bar and click Insert. This menu is where Google Docs keeps all the tools for adding content beyond plain text. From there, move down to Drawing and choose Plus New. A drawing window will pop up in front of your document. Think of this as your mini canvas. Anything you sketch here will be added to the document when you're finished. Inside the drawing window, find the Line tool along the top toolbar. The icon looks like a small diagonal line, and there's a tiny arrow next to it that opens more options. Click that arrow to expand the list. From the list of line types, select Scribble. This switches the tool into freehand mode, so instead of straight lines or arrows, you can draw naturally with your mouse or trackpad. Now click and drag on the canvas to draw freely. Keep the mouse button held down as you trace your shape or signature. When you let go, that stroke is completed. If you want to add another stroke, maybe more lines or details, just click and drag again. Take your time and draw a bit larger than you think you need. Larger strokes tend to look smoother when placed back in the document. When you're happy with what you see, click Save and Close in the top right corner of the drawing window. The pop-up will close, and your scribble will drop right into the document at your cursor's location. That's it. The freehand drawing is now part of your doc. To recap the flow, open your document, go to Insert, choose Drawing, start a new drawing, pick the Line tool, select Scribble, draw by clicking and dragging, then save and close to insert it. With this quick method, you can add simple diagrams, highlights, or hand-drawn notes without leaving Google Docs.